Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This video is something near and dear to my heart because it is 100 degrees outside, which means it's near summer. But for me, it's curly hair season because it's hot, and when you go to like the beach and the pools and stuff, you want to have like the long, luxurious, like, I'm Hispanic but I'm really not looking type hair. Like, ooh, what is she? Even though we're all queens, be proud of who you are. So I have some curly hair right now from a company called Eullair Hair, and I am just going to be doing my curly hair routine. So this is how I take care of curly hair when I have curly hair, and if you can see how it looks now on the top of my head, I don't wrap my hair. Y'all, if you've been watching my videos, you know I don't wrap my hair. Like, why do I even gotta say that? So anyways, I just throw my hair in a bun, go to sleep, and wake up like this, and we keep it moving. So I'm just gonna show you how I take care of my hair and get it looking presentable. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's go ahead and start doing my hair because I look crazy. So the first thing I'm going to do, obviously, is take out this ponytail. So I'm going to start by parting my hair into two sections because obviously this is too much hair to do in one section because, no. Like, you can tie it back if you want to. It's really not necessary. But, okay. And so, what I use for my hair is a spray bottle. Mousse. The mousse I use is Curly Sexy Hair. I have been using this for years and years and years and years and years. But you can use any kind of mousse that you like. And I have some coconut milk because this hair is dry. And we need some moisture. And this water in here is actually mixed with conditioner from Can 2. This right here, this is their moisturizing rinse out conditioner. Directions say to rinse it out, and I'm leaving it in. Maybe that's why his hair's dry. I'm just kidding. But no, it's still good. You don't gotta rinse it out. You don't have to rinse it out. Anyways, so you're gonna start by, first of all, drenching the hair in some type of moisture because it's super thirsty and super dry. It needs to be moisturized. And then I'm going to get my wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to go through from top to bottom and comb out these curls. And don't worry, we're going to redefine our curls, but we really just want to detangle it because it gets tangly when you sleep. Now, if you're someone who takes a lot better care of their hair than I do, you probably wrap your hair or put it in some type of like silk bonnet or something like that, which I highly recommend. But, you know, I'm just hard-headed, so if you're hard-headed like me, this is how you take care of your hair. You really want it really wet, because if you try to do this when it's dry, it's just gonna make it harder, and you're gonna be ripping out a lot of the hair, and nobody likes to rip out hair, especially expensive hair that you pay for. So it's pretty much combed through, and it looks like this. And you may think we're done, but absolutely not, because we have another side to do. Some people, when they detangle their hair, especially curly hair, it may be better for you to do smaller sections. But because this hair isn't that tangled, that's why I'm only doing two sections. I'm gonna be honest, back in the day when I like first started getting curly hair and I didn't really know how to take care of it, I would honestly just detangle my hair and walk on out the door. But honestly, truly, that is not the best practice. For a couple of reasons, because you're just not done just by detangling. I mean, because it looks fine right now, but it's not going to look like this for the rest of the day. So the next thing that I do is I go through with my coconut milk. I put like a nickel size amount, and I'm rubbing it around on my hands. And I'm just going to take and rub it through. And I really just want to concentrate on my ends, because the ends of this hair are really dry, and I just came back from the beach and it needs moisture. Now, I wouldn't put this oil in my hair every day, only when it needs like intense treatment, like now. And another reason why I like to put the oil in the hair too is because when you put mousse in the hair, sometimes mousse can dry out the hair. So this kind of helps keep in some of that moisture so it doesn't look dry and crunchy later when the mousse dries, it can still be soft because we like soft curls. So now I'm just going to go in with my mousse on top of that just to define the curls that I just did. Once you get the product in there, do the whole scrunch method like this to help give them some definition and some direction. And that is how I define these curls. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my edges, and then I'll be back. So I just did my edges. I just defined my part a little bit because I have this installed as a sew-in. And yeah, that's basically it for this video on how I take care of this curly hair. Now I can just go about my day. Now this hair will get frizzy later, because that's just how this particular hair behaves. But yeah, that's pretty much how I take care of this hair. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Adios, till next time.
I've been in the dugout, looking for a way out. You know, just taking it slow.